Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Rosemary. If you are new here, welcome to the channel. If you want to learn how to braid box braids on your own hair, continue watching. I will be using this moisturizing spray with black castor oil. It helps me with softening the hair. I will also use combs, Yaki bulk, fiber or hairpiece, hair pudding as well as gel. I will start by sectioning my hair in 4 parts, then apply hair gel to help me with creating neat lines. So if you enjoy watching this video, please subscribe so that you can see more of them, and don't forget to like and give me a comment. I will further section the hair and twist it so that it does not tangle. So on the first line at the back, I'll have 4 sections, followed by 6 on the second. If you have been watching my videos, you should know by now that I do not like a lot of braids, plus it's summer. If you want to add more braids, please decrease the amount of hair per braid. And then I'll be doing twists on all the sections. So the reason why I did the twist, I trimmed my hair ends. If you want to see how I trimmed it, I will be posting the video next week, so stay tuned and don't forget to subscribe so that you can see how I cut the hair. Just to let you know, so the sectioning of the hair took more time compared to the braiding process itself. So I braided my hair for like 2.5 hours to 3 hours, and the sectioning process was very long. I think it probably took longer than that. So yeah, if you have straight hair or relaxed hair, that shouldn't take you that long. To start stretching, I will hold the hairpiece with one hand slightly firm, but allowing me to pull some hair ends. So you will notice that I am not creating long ends. That is because I don't like long ends because they end up creating tangled hair. So for me, it's easier if the ends are not long. I will continue pulling the hair or stretching it until it does not look like there was some cutting done. The following step is to hold the hairpiece in the middle, then comb it with fingers until there is no tangling anymore. Then I will move to the other side and stretch it as well, and then comb it as well until there is no tangling, and then that will be the end of the pre-stretching process. And then I will just section the hair that I want. To start braiding, I separated the amount of fiber I prefer for this hairstyle. If you want to add more, you can. So for this style, I used 4 packs of fiber. After trimming the hair, I removed the twist at the back so that I can have 3 braids instead of 4. As you can see, the tangling at the hair ends decreased because of the trim. After sectioning, I'll then apply the hair pudding so that I can lay down the hair roots and make them smooth so that I can braid properly. And then I will detangle and then start braiding. To start braiding, I will hold the natural hair with one hand, and the other hand will wind or rotate the hairpiece or fiber once to avoid a big knot. So in this case, I feel like the natural hair do not match the size or thickness of the 2 strands from the hairpiece. So I'm just gonna take some hairpiece and mix it with the natural hair so that they can match. So all the strands can match. And then if your hair is thick in the same way as the other hairpiece strands, you can just braid until almost where you reach the natural hair ends. And then you can start taking some hairpiece from other strands. So in this case, I took from the bottom because the natural hair was not enough. So while braiding, also I want to make sure that my natural hair do not show at all. So I have to make sure that I hide my natural hair as much as possible. So there are other videos I made where I shared other methods to do box braids. I have attached their links on the description box. You can have a look if this method does not work for you. I almost forgot to share that I apply coconut oil or any other oil like olive, avocado, grapeseed oil on my hair and scalp to prevent dryness, plus all the other benefits such as preventing dry scalp and dandruff, split ends and hair breakage. So as a result, the hair will look shinier, stronger and longer. So you just massage the hair with oils and then start braiding. If your hair will be slippery, you can just apply the hair oil on your hair tips only, and then you can apply on the scalp when you are done braiding. So this method helped me because I was not applying anything for like 3 to 4 days. So I started applying the oil or moisturizer after that, and there was no itching at all. So just to show you for the last time, I held the natural hair with one hand and then I used the other hand to rotate my hairpiece, and then after rotating once, I then went straight to adding more hairpiece on my natural hair because it did not match the thickness of the other strands. So the key here is to always have 3 strands which are equal, so that I do not have an equal braid which will look funny or ugly. So yeah, that's the method that you use. So after finishing braiding where there is natural hair, you're gonna also take more hair from the other strands so that you can have equal strands throughout. I bought this hair mousse at Clicks by 55 Friends. It promises to provide extra control and gives hair added shine. And then I will quickly show you how I plan to style my hair. Before that, I'm just going to wrap my head with a doek, and that will help with laying my hair down and creating that cleaner look, and do my makeup. I will also accessorize the braids with like 3 to 4 rings. So I bought this at the Makula shop. I think they were about 10 rands or so. So this will be the first style. Then the second one will be just to have a side line. The third style will be to tie all the braids into a bun, then leave only 2 in the front. When tying, please make sure that you do not pull the front braids because you will lose hair. If you are still watching, thank you so much, and if you enjoyed watching the video, please give me a thumbs up. Please also don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so that you will be notified when I upload a new video. I will then see you in the next video. Bye!